Hey gang, Sally here. Thanks for stopping by today. Really appreciate that. Just want to give you a heads up that the video that you're seeing today was actually shot about a year ago in 2022. I decided to go ahead and keep publishing the older content because I've been finding it really interesting in chronicling my experience to see the difference in how I was living a year ago versus how I'm living this year. I hope you find that interesting as well. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you think you subscribed, double check to make sure, because YouTube has been spontaneously unsubscribing people from a number of different channels. Give us a like, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, let us know what you thought of the video, and none of that costs you anything, but it all really helps out the channel and helps us get the recognition from YouTube that we're looking for. So let's roll the intro and get right into today's video. So I saw a sign on the highway on I-5 that said Cottonwood Historic District, next exit. No idea what that is. But I thought, let's go find out. Because that's part of the joy of having this rig, is that I don't really have to worry. When I see a sign that looks interesting, I can pretty much go wherever I want to. In fact, I just left a little state historic park a little while ago that with my truck and trailer I wouldn't even have been able to stop there. So there just wasn't enough room to park. So it was pretty cool to be able to pull in and check it out. So now we'll see if we can figure out what the Cottonwood Historic District's all about. Historic California 99. Welcome to historic Cottonwood. Fire station over there on the right. I have a feeling it may just be historic. That's weird.
Head south on Main Street.
It may just be historic. I don't know that there's anything really to see here. Although the cutouts of the bulls and steers and calves and cowboys down the middle of the road here are pretty cool. And plenty of them. Well, it may just turn out to be a short detour, but it's a cute little town. There's some more of these cutouts over here. Oh, that's roping. There you go. Seems to be the vast majority of what historic Cottonwood has to offer. But I don't know. I think it's actually worth seeing all of these metal sculptures down the middle of the divider. They're very cool. We only got about 8 miles to go to our likely destination for the evening.
Continue on.
So I had picked out a piece of BLM land that I thought looked really interesting, and apparently I can't actually get to it. In fact, it's like gated off by private residences. So I'm coming back up here to my second choice, which is an off-ramp right by the freeway, except I think it now has no parking signs there, even though it had been previously written up in iOverlander as overnight parking, whatever it's called, as being okay for overnight parking. So that needs an update. I think. We're going to know in a minute. It is right by the freeway though, so I kind of really don't want to be there anyway. That was going to be my choice of last resort. but I'm going to check this out. So what's this say? No parking except during freeway closure. Okay. Yeah, so that's not going to be the place. And of course now I'm going to attempt to turn around, go the wrong way up the ramp, and get out of here. This could be exciting. Ugly going the wrong way on a one-way street, but there we go. Okay, so I'm going to head over here on the other side where the TA is, and then I'm going to spend a little more time doing a little investigation, try and figure out where we're going to be for the next couple days. And I think that might be Mount Shasta straight ahead of us. Alright, well that's the VA. Don't think I can park there. Huh, there's somebody a couple somebodies in an RV over there. Wait a minute now. Oh, they're not in here. Huh. Just see what's over there. This is the first time that what I was aiming for hasn't worked out. I also have a fallback position for a Home Depot in Reading. That's not too far away. I generally prefer not sleeping in parking lots if I can avoid it. Nice bike path here. It would actually be really nice to find a place to stop close to the bike path, go for a ride. That'd be fun. Huh. I think that is part of the VA. Those guys are parked. Interesting. Alright, well that looks like a real airport. Don't think I can park there. I decided to come come take a look at Redding's famous Sundial Bridge.
Sharp right at Sundial Bridge Drive, then you will arrive at your destination.
I have a feeling this is going to be a tough parking lot to find space in. It also said that there was some kind of forest camp down here, so I was hopeful that I might be able to find a place to stay, but that seems highly unlikely. Okay, I guess there's a walkway to the...
Slight left, then you will arrive at your destination. Turn right, then make a U-turn. Head northwest on Sundial Bridge Drive toward Aoki Way. In 800 feet, turn left to stay on Sundial Bridge Drive.
Well, at least there's a parking lot here big enough for me to turn around in. So that's good news. Alright, so the search is still on to find a place to spend the night. And unfortunately, this is very clearly marked no overnight parking. This would, however, be pretty awesome. Oh well. Alright, so let's try again. And I guess maybe kind of worst case scenario, I might just keep moving along. Although I really do kind of want to stay around here tonight. Wow, look at the birds. They're all coming in to get drinks and just kind of swarming around. That's pretty cool. Well, here we go, guys. This is going to be the first for me. I've never driven across a dam before. I'm here at Shasta Lake Dam, heading for a BLM campsite. I got two people following behind me. Pretty cool. Wow, this is like super cool. This is beautiful. Look at Shasta off there to the right. Man, that's gorgeous. Hopefully the rest of the views from the campground are anywhere near this good. But this view makes it all worth the drive. And I'm only 18 miles from where I last fueled up. So that's not bad. So we don't have a pedestrian crossing, we have a pedestrian standing in the middle of the road. Alrighty then. There you go. Oh, I guess you can go down. Maybe I should have gone to the visitor center before I headed over here. Oh well. It's all good. Very cool. Oh, and my GPS has
in 800 feet, turn left.
Had pretty much completely failed me. It kept sending me around in circles on the other side of the dam, and I finally stopped to look, and
turn left.
One of the guys in uniform came out and waiting for the gate to open. There we go now. One of the guys in uniform came out and said, "Oh, let me guess, you're following your GPS." I said, "Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know how you can tell." And he says that GPS is unreliable on federal land, as in it can't get a signal.
In a quarter mile, continue straight.
Okay. Well, this is pretty daggone cool, guys. I think the serendipity here is that hopefully all of my messing up, not getting where I thought I wanted to be, is going to be for the good. Look at the beautiful forsythia. I think that's forsythia. Certainly beautiful. Oh, and I guess we're going down. So maybe we wind up down near the river at the bottom. That'd be cool. That'd be super cool. Alright, here's another view of Shasta Lake. We're heading north, and Shasta Dam is off to our left someplace. But look at the gorgeous colors all the way down to the water. I really wish I could just go camp down there. That'd be awesome. Not a whole lot of signal here either. I think I'm going to be having signal issues today. I have a feeling Salt Creek may not be my answer either, but we're only 10 minutes away, so we'll find out. Oh yeah, Shasta Caverns Road. I think... Yeah, I've been to that rest area before. I think it was Shasta Caverns that I couldn't quite tell. I think that was the one that was too tight for me to be able to do the tour. Well, even if I wind up with enough signal to be useful down here,
Turn left.
there may be just too many trees to get enough sun. Doesn't seem like it should be all this difficult, but apparently it is. Ooh, and it's a squiggly road for about a mile. Okay, well, you know what? We're gonna take the road, we're gonna check it out, we're gonna see what we got. Right now, well, now I got one bar. I have a feeling I'm gonna be coming up out of here as well. Cool. Well, if I got enough signal, I'm going to stay here because it looks like I got enough sun.
You have arrived.
Thank you. Looks like I'll have enough sun. If I got enough signal, I'll be golden. Alright, we got a bunch of OHV guys down there, and hopefully that's where they stay. Now I only got one signal, one bar. It's bumpy-ish. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes up next. This was an absolutely beautiful spot, but unfortunately not enough signal for me to be able to stay there. So here's a screenshot of what my day looks like in the order in which things happened. I started off at a really nice place at Paynes Creek Crossing, BLM Land, really enjoyed it, stayed there a few days. Went back down into Red Bluff to go to the gym, so I was backtracking south basically. And then I went up north, visited the Sundial Bridge area in Redding, and then my next stop was up at Shasta Dam, thinking I was going to be able to stay there, but damn, no signal. And then I'm like, okay, there's another spot up at Salt Creek, which is number 5. So I went all the way up to Salt Creek, and again, beautiful location, no signal, so I backtracked back to Redding. I tried the Planet Fitness there, but that didn't seem like a good choice. The Walmart was really pretty disgusting. I ended up in a Home Depot parking lot. And so finally, why was it so important that I have a signal? Well, I was still working full-time at this time, and I had an important Zoom meeting early the next morning that I really needed a decent signal for. So that was a long day, a little bit frustrating in terms of not being able to stay the places I'd prefer, but I got to see some beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride. Just wanted to share that, you know, things don't always work out the way that we want, but they typically always work out one way or another. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth, live your best life, go out and adventure in whatever way works for you. Comments down below.